Hey guys, it's your girl Serenity back with the video. So today I'm going to be making slime, as you can see. And I got the glue in there. Oh yes, I got some detergent too. So, oh god. Okay. I got some detergent. Last video I didn't have any detergent. So we pour some detergent in. Let me take this spoon out because we don't need 2 spoons. I also have another glue on the side of that container. It's this one. Right now we're making the white clear glue. No, just white glue actually, sorry. Oh yes, this is actually coming together. Last video it wasn't, guys. I didn't post it because I didn't want to. Because I was going to continue looking for it while I was videotaping. But like I said, my mom FaceTimed me, so I couldn't. I asked her where the detergent was. She told me where it was, so. Now we are here with making slime. It's actually coming together really good. It's just sticky. I got to add some lotion. But here's the first piece. Put that right there. It smells really good. I'm using OxiClean fabric. So basically it's detergent. It's working, as you can see. The slime is really sticky because I added a lot of glue. So just mixed it. Whoa. Yeah. Wait, 1 second. Be right back, guys. Coming out with me. Got me some slime, putting it on my table. It's really clicky. This piece is really sticky. Not like the other piece, though. The other piece is not sticky. This piece, it got sticky. But all you gotta do is add some lotion, and we'll be alright. It's coming together, as you can see. And then I'm gonna make the glow-in-the-dark glue for you guys. It's so good. It's really good. And it's really like clicky. See, you guys hear that? Clickiness. Ah, don't get stuff on the bag. Okay, we gotta continue making this slime. Got some. Came together quick. Have to mix it with this slime, because it's the slime. It's so white. I never made white slime. I have, and like at the same time I haven't. And like it's so like really good. So I have to add some lotion to make it non-sticky, and we'll be okay. Just gotta take. You need to add a little bit more detergent, just a tiny drop. Okay, that's good. Because there's more glue in here than detergent. I didn't want to make it drown. I don't want it to like drown it in detergent. So here's this next piece. It's really small. It is sticky, but it's really small, so it won't affect the slime that much. See that? That's pure glue. It's a small piece. It affects it a lot. With some of the pieces that I've been putting in the slime, it's made it really more sticky. At the same time, not that sticky, so like I'm okay. But like as you can see, like it gets sticky if you leave it in your hand too long. So that's why I can't leave it in my hand for too long, because I don't want it to get that sticky. When I'm using the same container for this, so I have to find another container for my next. I'm gonna make it in this container, of course, but I'm gonna have to get another container somewhere in this house because we have containers all over the place. So this came out really good. I thought it was gonna be a fail, like I said in my last video. I was like, this is a fail. Because this is I used Tide and I forgot that there was not that much in there, but and then I thought that I remembered that my mom bought 2, and I forgot that my last one was, you know, it ran out. So I thought that was my first one. I was like, yeah, I'm maybe to make the slime. This is a good day, right? I'm like, no, it's not a good day because my Tide ran out. I'm mixing it right now. Sorry, those are the birds, if you heard it. Right? This piece is not that sticky. If you can see, it would have stuck on my hand really hard. Like, it's not. It's actually, this slime came to a success. Either add lotion or shaving cream. I don't know which one I want to add. So here we go. It's the last piece. We gotta throw this one out, but we're gonna still keep. We're gonna get another baggie because we can't have my table dirty because I just cleaned it. Oh no, the slime's gonna fall off the table. So I'm gonna show you what the slime looks like in a sec. So okay, so this is what the slime looks like. I really like it. Ah, it's sticky. Let me go get the lotion. I'll be right back. Sometimes my lotion makes it sticky. Sometimes it makes it not sticky. Sorry, I just love it that I want to play with that so much more. And then we're gonna make this glow-in-the-dark glue with this container. I have to get a container to hold this, or like I have to find 2 containers because this one, I don't know the cap. Oh no, the cap is on top of my other slime. Okay, so let me just get this off my hands. Let me go get the lotion. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Got the lotion. Put a little bit in there. It makes it smell really good. I think it made it stickier. Yeah, it made it stickier. Right, so I'm gonna have to add detergent to it. Gotta keep mixing it. Going all over the place. And I'm gonna add detergent. Not too much, and I'm gonna have to go get a baggie because I just got this table dirty and and I just cleaned it. Okay, so I gotta clean this off because my nail I just cleaned it. My nails all the way in Florida. It's like really sticky. Like if you can count sticky, it'd be 100% sticky. If there was like the most stickiest contest, this would win because it's really sticky. Get that off of there. Oh, it's sticky. Right, so we got the detergent. We're not gonna pour too much, but we're gonna pour a lot. That's good, right? I think so. It's not sticky anymore. Okay, but it is jiggly. But it's staying good. Let's test it out. Oh, yeah, it's sticky. Okay. It just pulled my phone down. It's really good. So we got this. Because it's not that sticky anymore, so if there's a mess on the tip, you can just clean it up. It grabs everything onto the slime. Okay, so got the glue. Okay, so let's go in the dark glue. Stupid slime is gonna come off the table. So that looks like enough. I want to save some. I'm gonna save some of it. Like there's a lot left. I want to see how much is left. Let's see how much is left because I want to save some. There's no point in saving it. I'm gonna get more glue in which way. See if the glue came down. Oh yeah. Oh sorry guys, you can't see it. Let me move my phone up more. And when I make slime again, I can, because like, there's still a lot in here. I feel it. We're gonna see if there's a lot in here. We'll sell it. But oh, me not paying attention to the slime, it almost fell off the table. Oh, the stupid cap won't go on. Finally, right? So we're gonna. Alright, so there's like not that much left. There's like little bit left. But we're done. So now we get the detergent. There you go. Nice and good amount of detergent. Oh, yep, messed up. Never supposed to do that. Okay, so we gotta like drop it out because I'm not trying to waste glue. I want to save this glue to make slimes. Like, so come down, grab the detergent, make sure I don't touch the table, and just throw it down like that. And I'm gonna clean up my mess after. But like I said, my freaking hands are so dirty. Like, I don't know what to say. Yep, I did messed up. Need more detergent. Oh, wow, I still have so much on. But if I waste it, I waste it. It's just. Slime being made. I just get slime. Oh god, this truck is heavy already. Gonna add some more in here. Put it right there. And my shirt. I think I have shirt. I messed it up a little bit. I think I added too much of the activator. But I'm trying to make it work here, as you see. And it's not coming together. Gotta take all of it. I need to add more glue. Yep, more glue it is. Okay. My hands are really soapy. Oh wait, I think I did it. It's coming together. Oh yeah, yes. Okay, gotta grab some more. Okay, my hands are really soapy, so I added too much Gain. Well, this isn't Gain. OxiClean fabric disposer, like I got it. It's sticky, really sticky. And at night, I'm gonna see if it glows in the dark, and I'll let you guys know. Got one piece done. can fix it with that slime. Just gotta add more detergent. I'm done with this.
So Melody, come here, baby. I need your help for a minute.
I'm not done.
Okay, 1 minute.
My hands are dirty.
Well, this is dirty. Yes, darling.
Oh, my arms hurt. Like I said, I'm needing it right now. It's really sticky. Okay, so we can't. I'm gonna have to clean the table when I'm done. Cleaning it. Yes. I'm gonna eat cereal. I gotta finish making this slime. Alright guys, so it's an ultimate success. What? It's an ultimate success, as you can see. I gotta clean the table after this, but until I get more glue, this is my last slime until I, use this again. Because I still got a lot in there. I gotta clean up my table. Gotta clean this. Gotta get every piece of glue off of the spoon. And then we just clean the spoon. The spoon's nice and good to use, but no, it is not because it has detergent on it. So guys, do not say it's your spoon. Do not put it back into the spoon disposal, wherever you have your spoons, because it still has detergent on it, and you can die if some bad eats out of it. So I'm just, for future references, if you don't do it. Gotta clean this cap up. I gotta clean a lot. Alright, bye guys.